What's up, guys? Our today's menu is poached chicken breast. Right, so we need ginger, cinnamon stick, star anise, sesame oil, soy sauce, shaoxing wine. Exact measurement can be found in the description below. And we also gonna need a half tablespoon of whole peppercorn. And then we are going to chuck them in a pot. And I'm going to boil this for 10 to 12 minutes. And now it's time to add in the chicken breast. So I'm just gonna put all of them and then turn the heat off and put the lid on and leave it for 20 minutes.
Do not open it because you don't want to release the heat out. It's time to take the chicken out. Let it rest for 5 minutes before chopping them. And here you go. This is our poached chicken breast.